Should we name them?
I think the one in the pink should be Rosetta. Because she's more prettier than that ugly thing.
Hey, we should.
I guess so. Wait, you're crying.
She's waking up.
Wait, no, you're not crying. Oh, now you're crying.
Hey, it's okay. Hey, it's okay.
Your ugly daughter woke up by princess. She's coming towards me.
Psych!
Wait, no, I keep on forgetting. You're Rosetta, not Rosetta. You're unique.
Years later, 16.
Wake up, you ugly brat. Silence. This is taking forever. What the fudge? Oh yeah, that's why I put it in times 2, because I had no attention span. Forgot about that.
Ready?
Finally!
What the heck is it?
Wow, you totally read it, Grayson. Good job. Woo. Bye, Rosetta. Rosetta. Yeah, Ita, because she eats so much, she's fat. Okay, I'm not. Okay, this is part where she get bullied or whatever. Hiya! I'm gonna do sound. Are my sound effects great, Grayson? Wow. So rude. How does she see, though? How does she see?
I don't know.
Because she has a blindfold on or whatever the freaky frackle flip it is. The teacher's ugly. I'll be Zivek or whatever. Zivek.
So I have to be the girl?
Yeah, you're the girl. Hey, Zivek. Zivek. How do you say his name? Hey, Unique, over here.
Run!
Let's go to class. Wow, that's a nice class. Okay, class, this is the transforming class. We'll transform into our discovery first. I'll go first.
What the heck? Bro,
As you can see,
Goku.
Next up is Mochi. Mochi's ugly.
Huh?
A rare water demon. What is this? KYD enters. Next up is Rosetta. A common love rabbit because she has such a common, ugly, basic sense of style. A common green bear. Ew. Green does not suit her. Ugh. A rare black demon.
He's a goat.
You're a wolf dragon hybrid missing prince. Next. The wolf dragon hybrid missing princess. What the heck? The princess. After school. So you're the missing hybrid princess. Wow, you're not reading your lines, Grayson.
Wait, what?
You're unique, remember?
Yeah.
You have to read whatever's over Unique's head. Okay, who names their child Unique, though? That was some fighting. I can't believe. Wait, that's you.
And Z, the prince.
Is the prince.
Wait. What if we got married?
Wait, aren't they like siblings though? Since they come from like the same family.
My bed. My bed.
Oh, my bed. My bed, my bed, my bed. The next day, Saturday.
Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock. Who's the missing princess? Drees nicely. Yeah, Drees nicely unique. Because your style's very unique. Why are her eyes so big? Okay, with those eyelashes, she could fly away. Just make sure not to blink too hard. We need blood samples.
What?
The guard said we need blood samples. I read it.
Blood?
Yeah.
What?
Smile next time, brat. Next time, don't look like such a
All of this, nothing?
All of this for nothing, Grayson.
Yeah, I said that.
Totally. You just forgot the 4.
No.
Okay, why does she keep on like flying and teleporting? Or does she just got hawks? Which one do you think it is? The results! Okay, girl, stop falling. Stop flying, falling, whatever. Okay, read.
Goku.
Okay.
You know what I will wear, what I
want to wear. That outfit's so like 2018 coded, but so ugly.
Wow.
She is so okay. What the fudge? The results are in. The missing princess is unique. Unique with the. What if she never shows up? I love how Unique just teleported.
My king and queen.
Unique.
I love you too.
I hate you too. But like, aren't they technically siblings though?
They just immediately got a kid.
Yeah.
Pop.
Okay. Peace.
Peace out.
Peace, peace, peace.